to make it. Yeah, let's see how to make this ruby. I'm use the 3mm beads. Let's go. Let's go to use the 3mm. I'm going to use the 3mm, the amethyst stone. This one. So let's see if you use this 3mm beads, how to make it by an easy design. This easy design can be as a free gift, and the customer can get the copper wire here. If you just want one reel, you can take one reel. If you want to mix the size, you can mix the size. The pack here 12.5. We are sell the copper wire. So you see, we have many different colors of copper wire. The wire is non-tarnish. Even you go shower, go swimming, that is not a problem. You can even go shower, go swimming. Then I'm going to show you how to make this. Make this design, we will use the size 0.6. Here was the ring above 3 made with the ready-made ring above 3. Yes, that's the lapis, right? It's made by the ready-made ring circle. Here. Then I'm use the size 20 gauge. Yeah, it's not 22 gauge. This is 22 gauge. Then first, let's cut the wire 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter here. Then how to make just one side of the wire, not two sides. Okay, first we are going to use this one to make a small loop first. Here is make a small loop like this. Then we're going to wrap it one time. So use this same technique, you can make a bangle as well. Make a bangle is same technique. Wrap a knot at the beginning. Then let's string the beads at this short wire. This long wire is used to wrap. The short wire is to string the beads. So here to show this, you make a very easy ring. Purple amethyst stone. If you want to do some small business, you can try the design this one. It's very easy making and fast making. Okay, here with the beads. Then how to do it? You see, tie the first beads. Let the wire go wrap it around. Then the second beads, wrap it around. Here again, wrap the third beads. Here, this one here. This one here. Here. Do you think it's very easy? Does this one tarnish? Dear DOR is non-tarnish. If you are new friends here, you can just try a small order to test the quality. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Yeah, I'm always use this wire much with all my stainless steel chain maker, the jewelry. And I have sell on TikTok, not the first year. I started sell on TikTok since 2022. I have a lot of the older customer. They are all the returning customer here. Yeah. So you can just test a small order to check the quality. Then you will find that here is a good partner for your small business. Okay. Here, this one. And then wrap here. This. So It's very easy. Yes, Helena, is very easy. Design this here. So continue. You will find that I'm just wrapper always the half circle wrapper and wrapper. So it's always like this. 16 gauge, I better be me. We have the color 16 gauge, gold, silver, and rose gold. The three colors. Three colors. Copper wire with planting, non-tarnish. Copper wire with planting, non-tarnish. It's very good for people who do the fashion jewelry or who do the, even you are do the steering silver jewelry, you need the copper wire to practice make the new design. After you practice develop some new design, then you're going to use the SS silver wire to make the production. Yeah. So it's here. This. Then let's go stop wrapper. Here. Like this way. We stop. Copper wire non-tarnish. Good for making the fashion jewelry and but it's non-tarnish. It's a high quality for your high level fashion jewelry making. Then we go fold it here. If you want to order something, you can claim in live streaming, or you can check my TikTok page. The first and the second video is show you how to order, how to find my shop. I have everything updated in my shop. Here. This. If you are maker size 7, you are wrapper at size 7. Yes. Yes. My copper wire not be allergic. Don't worry, you can just try. Yeah, I you can just make a small order to test the quality. Welcome the customer new here. Test my quality. You can get some chain, some copper wire, some charms, just to test, or even a jump ring or a clasp to test the quality. Put the materials throw inside the water with shampoo or with salt. Yeah, because I worked in the jewelry factory more than 10 years. I know what is the problem that people meet. So I only sell the high quality that's non-tarnish in my shop. Here. Material in the jewelry factory, there are many different factories. They produce the different level materials. So, but here I only sell the high quality that's non-tarnish. I have 60% is returning customer, that they are already be my customer 2 years, 3 years. So you can just try. New friends, just test the small order, check the quality. Welcome. This is copper wire, not stainless steel wire. Stainless steel wire, if you need it, actually I can sell, but I feel it's not so easy to craft by the stainless steel wire. It's too hard. Here. Thank you. Okay, here. You made me upset with these faceted beads. I can't get enough of them. Yeah, these faceted beads are always nice for many design. Okay, so here is the ring that we finish. It's the size 7 I made. So finish this ring. You can see I have some earrings. Yeah, I have some earrings that I make this earring 2 years ago, and it's still good here. It's still good here. You can see. So don't worry about it.